Hello there and welcome to Dereeve Trade. In this video, I will take you through the Alpha Digit bot. This bot trades Digit Match bot for Derive markets. It uses advanced pattern recognition and statistical analysis for precise digit predictions. The highest performing bot in our collection. As you can see, I have opened the 3 tabs here. Let's check the Alpha Digit interface. At first, you will see your bot locked. When you try to log in on the bot, you will receive this alert informing you that you need to purchase in order to access the bot. So to be able to access the bot, you will head over to the main dashboard, then click Buy, where you will see this alert for you to be able to copy the payment address and verify the transaction ID. So after it is verified, the bot will automatically be unlocked, where you can now click the trade button or go to the bot directly and try to log in. At this time, if you try logging in, you will be successfully logged in, and this will take you to the bot dashboard. At this point, you will see the guide button here if you missed it at first when logging in. We have the guide here for the bot to go through to understand how the bot works before you use it. Now, on the bot dashboard, you can see over here, this is the Derive balance you currently have. This shows the signals you have left with in 24 hours, and this shows the number of signals you have used. So here I can enter the amount of stake I wish to stake, and I choose the Martingale of ×2 because my capital is small. Then I hit the Start Trade button. Therefore, the bot will start analyzing the market before it starts trading. Now I need you to watch the magic of the Alpha Digit bot. The bot is going to do 10 runs only and stop automatically. Note that one signal has only 10 runs. This is wonderful. The bot has made a total profit of 2,349. It has made 9 wins and only 1 loss. Now, at this point, the bot will cool down as we wait to trade again. It is fetching the market data, so we can check the updated Derive balance we have. The amount has now changed from $73 to $2,422. This is incredible. Let's also check this on my Derive account. And yes, my Derive account shows the same thing. Do you love Alpha Digit bot? If yes, then don't waste time on manual trading anymore. Use this time to grab your bot. Visit our website at www.derive.com to get started. If you want to see how the Sigma Edge bot works, click on the notification above. You can also watch how the Drift Scalper bot performs the trade on the notification above. See you in Let's Make a Profit Together.